Now that your kitchen and bench tops have been installed, I'll now show you how to do the cutouts for the sink and the cooktop. The tools we'll need for that will include a saw, a jigsaw for getting into the tight corners, some drills, measuring equipment, and some safety gear. This time you're going to need to wear a paper mask because you will be creating quite a bit of dust. We'll also need a spirit level or some sort of straight edge in order to mark out the bench. The first thing we need to do is flip the sink over and put it in the position that it's going to be. Then we can mark out right around it. That will be our final resting place. And then we can take all the measurements from that line. Just measure back evenly from the front edge of the bench top, and that will give us our starting point. So we're just going to go between 50 and 60 millimeters from the front edge. Most sinks will come with a template in the box. Unfortunately, this one doesn't, so I'm going to trace right around the sink. That will be my ultimate template line. I'm now going to measure inside of this first line 10 millimeters. That will be the line that we'll actually cut on. This will allow for the cutout flange on the sink to just drop in. Just as a little tip here, put a line through your outside edge so that you don't cut that one by mistake. Now we've got all our measurements, we're ready to cut. There's two ways to begin the cutout. You can either start by drilling a hole and then using the jigsaw, then followed by the saw, or you can start with the saw itself and then tidy the corners up later. I'm going to do it that way. Always double check before starting that any pipe work is out of the way and any screws that may be holding the bench top to the cabinets have been removed. It's not uncommon to actually have to cut through the side of your cabinet or panels underneath. So don't be alarmed if that's what's going to happen. I'm not too worried about the edge of the laminate chipping here because that's going to be covered by the sink. But before I do the final corner, I'm just going to support it from underneath. The rail of the cabinet is also going to support it. So this sink's now ready for your plumber to come in and fix off and attach the pipework and the tap mixer. Always ensure that you use qualified electricians and plumbers when you're doing your work. So that's how you do your cutouts for your sinks. For any other appliances you need to drop into the bench top, the procedure is the same.